Hi, I'm Dr. Osman. Dear colleagues, designing a splint with Blender software without using any add-on is possible. We can easily define the splint's insertion axis, spacer, and thickness. Also, we can edit the splints using Blender's powerful sculpting tools. Of course, we can use dental softwares to design splints, but Blender is free. And every day we have improvements in Blender. I hope you liked the video. Please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share it with your colleagues. Hope to meet you someday. Bye.